assessment, Coach V, na talagang tayo yung pinakahilig ng mga
Target market, gano'n.
ng mga AFAM at foreigners.
Okay. So, do not take my word for this. We work with different types of people and some of them includes millionaires and billionaires. And I have this one favorite statement from an American billionaire. Sabi niya, you know what, Coach V? I've been traveling all around the world and I've seen that some of the most happiest or the happiest husband are married to Filipina wives.
Wow!
It wasn't coming from us, it was coming from an American billionaire himself.
Did he give you any reasons why?
Yes. So marami naman, hindi na ako nagugulat kasi marami naman kasi talaga tayong mga values na ibang-iba sa mga taga-ibang bansa.
Yes.
Totoo yan.
So tell me if you believe this or not, na bata pa lang tayo, yung desire to have a family has already been conditioned to us. Is that
My
right?
point!
My point.
Very family-oriented.
Yes.
13 years old pa lang ako, iniisip ko yung goal ko sa buhay ko is mahanap ang Prince Charming.
Yung the one mo, no?
And I'm not the only one. So, that desire to build a family, medyo kasi nawawala na yan sa ibang bansa kasi nakafocus na ang mga tao sa karir.
Correct.
Tayo kasi kahit gaano ka-successful, sometimes kapag tinawag na ng tawag ng pag-aasawa, pagpapamilya, we happily surrender that. Because
That's right. Oo nga, no?
Even the most
Yes.
hard-lined career women.
Yes.
And we
Totoo
think it's common, but if you travel all around the world, it's not like that. That's why Americans, Europeans come to our country because they're looking for that desire to build a family. And that's just one of the many, many reasons why Filipinas are admired all around the world.
At saka, I guess, nakaakibat na rin yun yung pagiging nurturing natin, maalaga,
At saka
diba?
kagaya ng na-mention ni Coach V kanina, kasi tayo, yung mga Pinoy, di ba, parang from the smallest things, we find joy in the
Yeah.
smallest things.
Tama.
Tapos napaka-resilient ng mga Pinoy.
Oo.
Ito lang, Coach V, parang nakaka-offend ba yung idea na ang pagkakaroon ng isang AFAM or a foreigner in Manila na boyfriend ay susi sa kahirapan ng mga Pinay? Parang
Bakit ganon, no?
there's always that perception na
Bakit nga
mga kapwa
ba?
Pinay mismo ang nag-iisip nito.
Correct.
Na kapag
Yes.
nagkaroon ng boyfriend na or asawa
Na foreigner.
na foreigner, nakaahon na sa kahirapan
Nanalo
itong
ng
kababayan
loto,
natin.
Congratulations!
Naka-jackpot, in other words.
Yan ang akala nila.
Okay, wait
Down,
ha.
down,
Okay, wait.
down,
Mga
Coach V.
kada. Reality
Sino
check.
ang naka-jackpot? Sino na naman natin?
O sige, ay Coach V, Coach V.
Yan ang akala nila. Alam nyo ba na napakadami ding Pinay na sila pa ang bumubuhay sa foreign?
Yan ang narinig ko rin.
Di ba?
Coach V, I heard
Pero
that
kasi,
too.
kapag nanood ka ng mga movies, ng mga reality show abroad, ano ang pinapakita? Yung pinakapayat, pinakamaitim, poorest women in the Philippines, hindi nila pinapakita na
actually.
may mga magagandang, accomplished,
Yeah.
at
Example,
capable na Pinay.
Isabel Daza.
Oh.
Married to a Frenchman. Diba?
Yung grupong yan.
Actually, their entire grupo.
Tapos na.
Totoo.
Oo nga naman,
Yes.
no? Kasi nga, di ba, Coach V, reality check tayo, hindi po lahat, or baka, hindi lahat ng AFAM or ng
Okay.
foreigner ay
Ang susi.
Capable at may,
They're
mayaman.
mayaman.
Not the susi.
Totoo. Hindi naman lahat, di ba?
Magagalit yung nanay ko sa akin, pero yung nanay ko nga, yung ex, ganda-ganda ng nanay ko, pero yung ex, siya pa yung nag-allowance nung nandito kasi nga maawain yung tayong mga Pinay.
Ayun.
Sinasabi ng nanay ko na, like we want to be able to help him kasi nawala niya lahat after a divorce. But sometimes that heart, that golden heart, it's being taken advantage of. So it goes both ways. Hindi na naman natin ma-deny na marami naman kasi talagang Pinay na paningin nila sa foreigner, susi sa kabuhayan.
Walking
May ganun naman
ATM.
talaga.
At hindi lang yun.
Please
nadagdagan
research
natin.
muna. Kasi nga baka mamaya,
Hindi lang yun,
mabudol kayo. Ayaw ni Miss Marites.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.